You can calculate anything using Displayr. That's right. By anything, I really mean anything. There's no calculation that cannot be performed on Displayr. The table on the top left shows attitudes to different departments at a supermarket. Looking at fruit and vegetable in the first row, we can see that 32% of people are categorized as detractors and 28% as promoters. We can write a little bit of an R code to subtract the detractors from the promoters, which you can see that I've done below the table. On the right side of the page, I've done the same calculations, but by directly assessing the variables. If I hover my mouse over the code where it says NPS categories in the panel on the right, it shows me the raw data. You can see the variables themselves in the datasets tree. Expand, and you can see each category. Just a couple lines of code, and it gives me all these calculations. On the previous page, I was showing you that you can use R code to calculate from tables or from the raw data, but you can do so much more. Did you ever study calculus? The example on the left is doing differentiation. The example on the right is creating a complicated nonlinear model. And for many of the more advanced analysis, you can see the underlying code. Here's a correspondence analysis that was created by going to dimension reduction, then correspondence analysis of a table in the menu. To see the underlying code, just click on the chart and it should pop up in the object inspector on the right. While all the regular analysis that most people do most of the time are point and click, if you need to calculate anything more exotic, you can also do this in Displayr. Now, if this is the type of analysis and reporting that you want to do, then book a demo with one of our experienced researchers today. We'll tailor the demo exclusively for you. Just pick a time that works for you, and you'll have your very own free session with a Displayr expert.